Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how to put in on HD admin. So first things of all, you have to take out the HD admin and click on it, of course, and go to settings. Now, if you follow what I do, you should be clear to go. So click between these two quotation marks and write the person that you want to give admin to. So this is head admin. So if you want to give this person head admin, then yeah. Now, if you want a second person, you put another quotation mark after the comma and then write your person's name and remember to put another quotation mark and a comma. Now I'm going to test it for y'all. So you have to publish the game and remember to put it on public. I got braces, so I can't talk well. So now, here's the game. Uh, yep, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. Just wait for me to click in. Yeah. Alright, finally. So by the way, this is my brother's account. I put in my brother and sister's account for the head admin. So now you see me flying. So bye.